Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. If you guys are new, which many of you guys are new, my name is Esmeralda. I am currently on a weight loss journey, and this should be a update, week 5 update of my booty king workout guide and the whole vlog. But to be all honest with you guys, I was just not feeling recording this whole week, my progress and everything. So I did start recording it, but I didn't end up working out till Tuesday, and then Tuesday I didn't record anything either till Wednesday, and Wednesday I was just not really feeling it, and I didn't want to give you guys a very short vlog video and stuff. And to be completely honest with you guys, I like being transparent. You guys you guys have seen me without makeup and everything, and in all honesty, I don't really care how I look when I'm recording myself and stuff. But like I have said in previous videos, my acne has been getting so bad to the point where I don't know I don't know what to do with it, and I've been trying so many things, but the thing is that has been putting me in such a big funk. My acne has been putting me in such a big funk that I haven't just been feeling getting on camera and recording myself this whole week. Also, other than that, it's just been very busy for me to be recording. It's one thing after another, and in all honesty, it was just a big hassle. Why does it look like that? Give me a second, you guys. Anyways, it was just a big hassle for me to record this week, and I have been I have been working out. I have not stopped working out. That is something that I have been putting myself into, keeping myself busy and stuff. I have been working out just because again, I do want to relieve myself from all the anxiety and stress and everything that I've been having and experiencing lately. So that's just one thing I have not stopped doing, and it's obviously I'm not gonna stop doing it because I do want this transformation for myself, not just to show you guys, but also for myself. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. It's been very hard for me. I have not been losing weight. I've been going down inches, but I have not been losing weight as much as I've tried. And I'm gonna be completely transparent with you guys. As much as I try to take care of myself, watch my portions, track my calories, everything, it's just been hard for me to do it on my own. I know when I feel like I need somebody there in order to discipline me and to track exactly what I'm eating and how I should be eating and stuff, which I've been following the same diet that I've had with my nutritionist that I'm no longer with, but I'm hoping to get my nutritionist again. I've been doing the same thing, but I just have not been seeing anything. I'm not losing weight and I'm not gaining weight. I'm still at 186, and obviously I just finished the time of the month, so I mean, I know that's another reason why I wasn't gonna lose weight. And maybe by next week I'll probably lose couple inches or weight, because I am bloated, and women do tend to get bloated during that time of the month. But I'm gonna give you guys my measurements and my weight for week 5, since I do deserve to give you guys that, even though I did not vlog anything. So my weight for the week 5, it's still at 186. My bust, my boobies have gone down to 30 inches. I know last week I did say I did not record it. I didn't record it, but from week 3 to week 5, I've lost 2 inches. My waist is at 32.25, as well as my hips are 44.5, so they grew half an inch, which from my nutritionist, my old nutritionist, I know that your hips and your stomach are gonna grow when it's that time of the month because you get bloated. But it could also be because I am trying to grow my glutes, that they went up 1/2 inch. But typically they always, from week 3, yeah, from week 3 to week 4, they were still the same. They were at 44. So hold on, let me go back, sidetrack a little bit to week 1. Okay, so from week 1 I was at 45 inches. I did not track apparently week 2, but you could see there that I've gone down, let's say 1/2 inch from week 1 to week 5 from my butt. But all in all, I mean, I have been working out this whole week. I could definitely feel it a lot in my butt area. I've been really sore. My shoulders were really sore yesterday because of the back workouts that I am doing. Since it's a whole new week, it's whole new workouts. For the upper body workouts for Tuesdays for the next 4 weeks is, sorry you guys, let me see. Okay, it's shoulders and chest. I mean, not shoulders, back and chest. So my back was really sore yesterday when I was doing my butt workouts. Yesterday's workouts, my leg and booty workouts, they did not make me sore, but I did feel sore yesterday, and obviously my legs were starting to give out. And just to let you guys know, also I'm supposed to be doing 3 sets. But this whole week I've just been doing 2 sets of everything. I know I should be pushing myself harder, and I should be doing all of them like how I started week 1. But again, like I've been saying, I've just been in such a down mood that I have not been able to do all 3 sets. As much as I want to push myself, after I'm done with the 2nd set, I'm like, you know what, I don't want to anymore. Also with that, it's because I've been working out super late at 10 p.m. Like I did say, I don't have time during the day right now. This whole week I have not had time. So I've been working out like at 10, 11 p.m. And by that time it's already 12, and I just don't want to work out anymore, and I just want to go to sleep. But for next week, week 6, I will definitely start again back on track, just like how I did week 1. And hopefully I push through, and I do want to push myself harder, and hopefully I do get the nutritionist again. And as well, like I did say, I am going to start doing cardio, because I like to do cardio, and that helped me a lot when I first started trying to lose weight. And the main reason why I started this whole thing was because, like, all these comments on TikTok that I've been getting, it is true. I've never seen a person my camera cut off. But like I was saying, I was getting all these comments on TikTok about how there's people that are not my body type, and they haven't seen people like in my body type. And I totally agree with that. I've never seen, from when I started, any person with my type of body, which was harder for me in a sense, because I would like to see women around my body type and see their transformation, or, you know, the same way that they asked me for advice. Like, I would want to ask them for advice and how do they do it and stuff. It was just hard. So not just that the whole reason why I started all this, and just recording myself and all this, in that sense, it's like, how do I put this? Since I was little, I don't know if you guys see in previous videos, I probably talked about it in other videos, but since I was little, I've known that I wanted to be on camera. Like, if it was on YouTube, or, well, yeah, on YouTube, or whatever the case may be, I always wanted to be in front of a camera and record myself doing whatever it was that I was doing, just as long as I enjoyed it. And to be honest with you guys, this is something that I really enjoy doing, recording myself working out and seeing my progress throughout this whole time, but I also wanted to record myself and do all of this just because I know the struggles. Not everybody talks about the struggles, and hopefully I am talking about the struggles, how it's hard for people like me to be able to lose weight and to try their best, and that sometimes it's hard, and sometimes you just want to give up. Like I know that struggle, I know that feeling. That's me almost 100% of the time, 90% of the time. So I just wanted to record that as well. I wanted you guys to see the real me and my struggles and all that. With all this weight loss journey, I mean, somebody in a comment, I don't know if it was kind of offensive or not, or I don't know. She did tell me, she's like, how much weight have you lost so far? So I was like, I lost 11 pounds. And she's like, well, you look like you lost 30 pounds. So it's like, yeah, it could look like I lost 30 pounds, but it's hard. It really is hard. I've been trying to set little goals for myself. That from one of the little goals that I have right now is from here till October 1st to be able to lose 10 pounds. And as much as I've been trying to see that, and I've been working my butt off to do that, to get to that goal, it's been really hard. And sometimes I just get depressed when I see that the scale doesn't go down, even though I don't really believe in the scale. I rather measure myself. And yeah, I mean, my measurements have gone down, and it's like I've been telling you guys my measurements every time I check in with you guys with that. You guys see that they have gone down, but it's just, I don't know, something. I don't know, but you get the point that sometimes it's just easier to weigh yourself, and you look at the scale, and the scale just brings your whole mood down and stuff. So that is the reason why I've just been so down lately with that, also because I have not seen the scale go down at all. I just see it go up, down, up, down, up, down to 186 to 187, 186, 187. So that just puts me down, and it's like, I know weight fluctuates. Measurements are the most accurate. Yeah, measuring yourself is more accurate than weighing yourself, because the measurements, yeah, they'll go up when you're on the time of the month, but you see more and more measurements going down, your inches going down and down week by week, which is what I've been doing week by week. I didn't intend this video to be that long, but I just wanted to come on here and talk to you guys why I have not been recording week 5, and why I didn't record it, and why you guys didn't get a vlog of that. But next week, week 6, I will definitely be recording everything, and you guys will definitely see me and go back to on track with all that. Also, if you guys want to leave a comment of how you guys would prefer to watch the vlog, or how I record it the same way that I've been doing it the past 4 weeks, or if I should just start off by all the workouts and then my meals, and then me going on every Friday after the whole week and talk about all the workouts as a summary. Talk about everything and how I felt the whole week and all that. Just let me know in the comments if you guys would rather see that in a video that way, or you guys would like me to continue vlogging the way that I've been vlogging this whole time. So that is all for this video. I hope you guys do have a wonderful day. If you are new, don't forget before you leave this video to subscribe to my channel, leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And yeah.